in respect of issues such as taxi bases, carrier bases, issuance of licenses both for buses, minibuses, just dealing with issues such as driving licenses, the documents that are required. Now this is being carried out under the Ministry of the Attorney General's Chambers and Ministry of Anti-Corruption. The reason why we have called for this meeting is because it is an independent process whereby you can raise any issues. Because the Bainimarama government is very much concerned about the manner in which particular processing takes place, whether there is issuance of licenses, and whether there is actually transparency in it or not. So this is why we're doing it. It's independent from LTA, it's independent from the municipal councils, because as you know, for example, at the moment, if you want to get a taxi license, you get your base license from the municipal council and you get your taxi license from LTA. Now sometimes we have people that have written letters to us and saying, I already have a base, but I don't have a taxi license. Or they'll say that our LTA has said we will give you a license, but I don't have a base. So how do we make this work? Some of you may have very good ideas about it. So the idea is for us this morning is to hear from you your personal problems. Some of you may have specific issues which we can try and resolve and which you can raise. These three ladies are from the Attorney General's Chambers. All of them are lawyers, and you can bring your complaints to them individually if you want to have a private discussion. If you want to privately raise your issues, if you want to give them copies of the documents, you can do that. You don't have to stand up and let everybody know about the problem. There may be people over here who may be applying for the same base, I don't know. You may be competing with each other. So if you want to keep it private, you can tell these ladies also. We are recording everything. Please, I want you to know that all of the proceedings here are in confidence, in the sense that it's not going to be used against you, or don't think that you'll be victimized. I'm not from LTA. There may be some LTA people here, some of them look very official. Don't worry about that, nobody's going to victimize you. But we are here essentially to improve the processes, improve our delivery services, and also for us to know if there is any untoward behavior of government officials or different agencies that you think is not, that we're not doing the right thing. So that's the purpose of this. I was going to say, ladies and gentlemen, I see a couple of ladies here. That's the purpose of this, ladies and gentlemen, that we are gathered here today. We do have a very tight schedule. We are here for a few hours, then we're going to Nandi after midday, and then after Nandi we are in Lautoka this afternoon. So with those few words, I've also got the administrator here, of course, who's helped us organize for the ball, and I think he's also paid for it because we haven't paid him yet. But there's of course a willingness when we advertised for this particular hearing. A lot of people have come forward and feel that it's a very positive move. So it is in that light that I'd like to now open up the floor. If you want to raise an issue publicly, please do so. If you want to arrange some, make a submission privately, the ladies are here and you can do so. There's Glenys, Monica, and Tuko. Okay. Thank you.
And after 2 days, I went to get my license renewed. They said, no, boss is in Suva. The next day I have to go to Suva. I'm a taxi driver. Still, I'm alright, I can drive. But I have to run from Singapore to Suva. Take a taxi to renew my license. When I went to Suva, LT office, when they come at 2:15. When I went there 2:15, the boss is in the meeting. Why can't these people are standing here? We are a taxi driver. They are 64 and big for driving everything. But we have to run for them. For taxi driving to renew. And the license. We have to renew, we have to go to the program, why can't they renew the license here?
First of all, I would like to thank the upcoming government, Mr. Ayub and Benimano government, doing an excellent job. So far we have never thought of it, and I request them to take a